Hello, my name is Michael Gasiorek and I am Professor of Economics at the University of Sussex, and I'm also Managing Director of Analyse, which is a spin-out company of the university which provides advice, consultancy and training on trade policy to countries around the world.
And I'm Peter Holmes. I'm also at the University of Sussex and a member of the Analyse team. Our course is intended to be self-sufficient, telling you what the economic principles are that you're going to need to use it. And it also has the advantage of allowing you to do your own analysis very quickly without having to refer to outside consultants. We consider the module that we've prepared here to be effectively a 5-day full-time training course. Within each section, there are a series of topics. Each topic has a set of slides with audio commentaries, and there are also videos. And then there is a quiz to test your knowledge of each topic. You have to pass the whole module to get the certificate.
As with any software, the more you use it, the better you get at it and the quicker you are at doing things. So use TradeSift, practice with it and use it in your daily work. And remember, if you've got any questions, any issues that arise, please feel free to contact us at Analyse at the University of Sussex. Thank you.